So today we are unboxing the famous ThinOptics Universal Pod and Readers. Whenever you order something from ThinOptics, it's going to come in a white envelope. So your Universal Pod will come in a small box that looks like this. It says ThinOptics on the front. Then you just open it up, and inside you will find your Universal Pod. These come in black, silver. We have printed pods, so if you like spring colors, you can get some spring flowers. We have all different holidays. Whatever you want on your pod, we probably have it. So it's going to come with a universal pod, and it's also going to come with a set of instructions. So all of these things will be in this tiny little box here. So this is our black universal pod, and on the back you can see there is a space for you to take this adhesive strip off. And once you take that off, you can stick this on the back of your phone, the back of your laptop, a tablet, wherever you need to place it, you can stick it on with that. Then I'm going to show you the actual readers themselves. So you just grab the bridge of the readers and slip them right on out. So this is a pair of red readers, and they're extremely flexible. So you can twist these all different kinds of ways, and they're gonna snap right back in place like that. So trying these on so you guys can see what they look like. When you put them on, actually, you just open them up slightly, place them where you want them on the bridge of your nose, and they hang on. So I'll do the shape test. They're not falling off. So those are our ThinOptics readers in the universal pod. So to put them back in place, you just slide one lens in, slide the other, push down in the middle, and boom, they're back. You can have these with you anywhere. You can slip this in your pocket or attach it to the back of your phone. So as soon as you're on the go, you have your readers with you. Any questions or comments about our universal pod or readers, please leave them down below, and we will talk to you soon.